Currently going downtown Englewood.
Gonna go to McDonald's and get some ice cream.
Demographics changing.
This is we might
50%
may or may not make it out alive.
Yeah,
Never
50%
know.
chance getting shot.
50% chance of getting shot. Push! Jackie, open it and shit. Bye. God. Children running around. Oh God. It's a little different than we thought it would be. Here, hold this.
Ice cream. Yep.
What should we get? What should we get? Tell me now. You want
Can I help you?
Hi, can we get 2 small M&M McFlurry?
What do you want? M&M McFlurry or
Vanilla.
vanilla? And a
Vanilla.
cone? Yeah, and then can we get 2 the soft serve vanilla in a cone? Yeah.
And 1 Oreo.
Where the